How's it going, guys? So Tesla share price dropped about 9% to $704 per shares on Friday, mainly based on Elon Musk's comments on the economy. He stated that he had a super bad feeling about the direction of the economy, and he added that Tesla's job needed to be cut at about 10%. And hours later, he tweeted that Tesla's headcount would increase in the next 12 months. So if there is anything that I've learned about Tesla and Elon Musk in particular, is that you do not understand what's going on in Elon Musk's head. But the good thing is you don't need to understand Elon Musk to invest in Tesla. You need to understand fundamentals. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in today's video. I am going to discuss about Tesla's fundamentals, and I hope that at the end of the video, you are going to be able to decide for yourself whether you should buy or sell Tesla stocks. My name is Nelson Kayanga, and this is the Catch Less Investors.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
So last week, I would say that for Tesla investor, it was being a decent week. Okay, we were having a bullish run until Friday, when it actually got down from $770 per shares to $703.55 where it closed. Okay, that actually represents about 74% below its all-time high. Okay, so the gap actually came due to Elon Musk's comments on the economy. Okay, he stated that he had a super bad feeling about the direction of the economy, according to a Reuters report. Okay, and Elon Musk actually disclosed to employees they need to cut about 10% of companies' job. I mean, that's sad news for Tesla's employee. Okay, but on Saturday, he actually tweeted that Tesla's headcount will increase throughout the next 12 months. Okay, that's actually good news for investors and employees and different stockholders. Okay, of course, nobody wants to hear the news that okay, your company is going to cut about 10% of that job. Okay, of course, there is a possibility that you could be one of them. You never know. Okay, that's what I hate about working for someone. But anyways, as I said, okay, what's going on with Tesla? There are different reasons about Tesla current price, okay, compared to its all-time high, and I mentioned that it is about 74% below its all-time highs. Now, if we go to FinWiz and we check year to date, Tesla is 33% down, okay, year to date. And I don't want to comfort you guys, but it seems like it's not only Tesla. Okay, it is going on for the market. So the market hasn't been decent or fair to anyone that is investing in the stock market. Of course, there are some that are thriving. Energy stocks are thriving. But anyways, going back to Tesla, as I said, you do not need to understand Elon Musk to invest in Tesla. What you need to understand is the fundamentals. You need to know what is the balance sheet telling you about Tesla, and what is the income statement telling you about Tesla. Okay, so I actually use Stock and Lock. Okay, I have to give my props to this guy because he has been doing a very good job with this website, and actually like it. So I like to start with the balance sheet, okay, to see how financially healthy the company is. And in the balance sheet, what we're gonna see, it's mainly a comparison between assets and liability. Of course, we are gonna check on the owner's equity. So if we go to current asset, and I like current asset because it tells us within 1 year how protected, how financially healthy are we. So current assets, it's about 27 millions. Okay, yeah, I got a bit confused if it is billions or millions, but it is millions. 27 millions. Okay, between cash equivalent, short-term investments, total cash, net receivables, inventory, etc. So total current assets is about 27 millions, And let's compare current liabilities. Okay, if we check liabilities and we go to current liability, it's 19 millions. Okay, that means that we are good. We have more current assets than current liability. That give us a current ratio of about 1.35, which is good. Let's see owners or shareholders equity, which is 30 millions. This is actually good, guys. Actually, in terms of fundamentals, in terms of healthy or financial health of Tesla, I am not concerned. Now let's check its income statement. Okay, so total revenue is 53 millions, and as you guys can see, it has been increasing year over year. um Cost of revenue, okay, of course Tesla is a company, of course there are costs associated to revenue, but what matters, of course, you want to reduce a cost to make revenue, okay, but as long as we are making more revenue than it is costing us, of course that is good. Gross profit, so it's 13 millions, okay, as you guys can see, it's due to cost of revenue. I would honestly hope that with time we can reduce cost of revenue, but it is right now kind of hard when you check that raw materials has been increasing. Okay, so Tesla cars need batteries, and raw materials for EV batteries have been going up. Okay, and of course with the supply chains issue, okay, it hasn't been easy for EV makers, okay, and legacy makers, I would say. Now operating income, it's 6 millions, which has also been increasing, guys. So like, to sum up, I would say that I am not concerned about Tesla's fundamentals, and as you guys can see, Tesla has a very good balance sheet and attractive income statement, so I am not concerned. And just to give you an idea, in last quarter, despite ongoing supply chain challenges, Tesla has delivered about 310k vehicles. Guys, I mean, there is no EV company that is doing it. You guys should know that I love NIO, but NIO, in terms of delivery, is just well behind. Of course, we are growing. Okay, NIO is growing. I say we because I am a shareholder of NIO. Of course it is growing, but today is this video is not about NIO, it is about Tesla, and Tesla's numbers, balance sheet, income statements are very good. Now let's go to some insight and see how Tesla has been growing. Okay, so revenue, Tesla's revenue has been increasing year over year about 73%. Its net income, it has also been increasing about 655%, which is very good. Now free cash flow, guys, this is good. Okay, 108.81%. okay, free cash flow tells you how much money Tesla has, like free, okay, like at hand. That's cash that Tesla has. And it has been increasing 187.81%. So again, I would say I'm not concerned about Tesla's fundamentals. Fundamentals actually tells me that I should invest on Tesla, okay, because not only because Tesla represents, or it is the leader of the EV market, okay, with a market share of about 14%, which is very high comparing to others company, okay. And of course they have this urge to continue increasing, and of course they're going to increase because they have been building a lot of factories. They have factories in China, in Texas, in Germany. Okay, that actually just shows you how committed Tesla is to continue increasing its delivery numbers. Okay, so we are saying probably I expect that Tesla is going to deliver for this year, I would say 100 million cars per year, okay, or at least shy of 100, not 100, sorry, a million cars per year, okay, or at least shy of 1 million cars, 900, I would be more than satisfied, because I know how hard it has been for EV makers, not only EV makers, legacy makers, or let's say car makers, in this current market. It hasn't been very easy for them. Of course, Tesla is a growth company, and the Fed interest rate increase harms growth companies. Okay, so now what do I expect for Tesla? What do I recommend? Okay, I expect a rebound from the drop, from the gap that we had last week, unless Elon Musk tweets something that will hurt shareholders or create any FUD. But for now, I would say that I expect a rebound throughout the week. We should be back on not exactly 770, but we would be going to close the gap that just opened up last week. And for investors, of course, you shouldn't look on short-term price fluctuation, but it is important to know when is the right time to enter. Okay, so I would say that right now, as I said in my previous video, I've never expected I would see Tesla share price at these ranges unless there were stock split. But I would say it's a good buying opportunity, and I have to reiterate that I am not a financial advisor. Okay, this is my opinion, and I'm not saying that you should invest in Tesla. I'm just giving you my opinion on what would I do if I were if I had the money in hand right now. I would buy Tesla. Of course, now there are risks associated with Tesla. Supply chain issue is a risk that you should consider. Macroeconomics, okay, Fed interest rate increase is a risk that you should consider. And Elon Musk, guys, Elon Musk, I would say, I mean, I have mixed feelings with regard to Elon Musk's um, activeness. Okay, if I don't know if that words exist in a market. Okay, so whatever Elon Musk says affects Tesla share price. Okay, so you need to be aware of it. Um, Wherever he's going to tweet may affect positively or negatively on the share price. Okay, so you should be aware of it. You need to be able to endure what Elon Musk is going to tweet. Okay, but if you think in the long run, if he's at the future, okay, this is a market that is beginning. Okay, we are only on the early stages of it, so I expect Tesla to be the leader of that market, and NIO is going to be there as well. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, share it with your friends, comment guys whatever I said and that you don't agree with, please comment below, and see you guys in the next video.